Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to enable Windows Copilot fix missing Copilot option and how to enable it on Windows 11. First thing first, on your desktop, press Windows plus S. Then type regedit, then click Run as Administrator to open the registry editor. Approve the UAC prompt, then paste this path into the registry editor's address bar and press Enter. Now right-click on the Windows key in the left sidebar, select New, then Key, and name it Windows Copilot. Inside that new key, right-click on the blank area. Select New, dword32 value and name it Turn Off Windows Copilot. Double-click on Turn Off Windows Copilot, set the value data to 0, then click OK. Close the registry editor and restart your PC to apply the changes. After reboot, Copilot should now appear in your Windows taskbar or sidebar. And that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed it, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.